You are looking at materials for the very first Scout Crafter Challenge of 2021. And that challenge, I will put a link down below, but basically it is to build a tool tote or a toolbox, so to speak. And I think that's what we're gonna do. I do have on the table here, I have some different types of wood. I have some aspen here. The white is an aspen wood and the reddish color is mahogany. And I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I think what I would rather do with this video is just kind of silently run through and record my progress, and then we'll get back at the end of the video and discuss it. So there you have it, the official entry for the Scout Crafter 2021 Tool Tote Challenge. And I have to say I had a lot of fun with this one. I got to thank Scout Crafter for putting this challenge on. It really kind of stretched my limitations on what I could do. I had to learn a lot of things to pull this off. If you remember right, we had a woodworking project that Scout Crafter did last year. It was the Birdhouse Challenge, and I just didn't have a lot of woodworking tools. I work with metal mostly, and so it was a good challenge to learn how to pull this off, at least for me. I had actually bought some woodworking tools for the ShopSmith after that challenge because I knew that there might be an opportunity to use them, and I was right because Scout Crafter did this challenge, but those actually made it really easy to pull this off. I did put a coat of lacquer on all of the wood, 2 coats actually, and I may put another coat on it. Of course, this was powder coated as you've seen in the video. It's just check plate, and pre-drilled all the holes and everything so it wouldn't split, and it went together pretty simple after that. I really like the powder coat look. That's just a nice gray. It's nothing really flashy, but it seems to go well with all of the colors, and then the black screws just kind of highlight everything. So there you have it, my official entry. Normally I do a lot of build it and do it yourself type stuff, so if you like those types of videos, please take a look at some of my other stuff. At the very least, you might be entertained.